Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a minute, it's been a while, and that is why I decided to finally film today, because it's been over a month since I last posted on my channel. And yeah, I feel like I really need to stay up to date, you guys. Like, I really felt bad. I have a lot of schoolwork to get through, but I was just like, I gotta film today, I gotta film for my channel. So in any case, we have all the time, right? Like, besides having to do my schoolwork, I have nowhere else to go because we gotta stay at home, lockdown vibes. So yeah guys, I filmed this video and we pretty much gonna be probably taking off this makeup once I'm done with this video, because I'm not going anywhere and I'm gonna be doing my schoolwork after this. So yeah guys, stay with me, get through this getting ready thing and just doing our makeup for no reason, you know, for no reason. And let's just get ready, let's look cute together. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you are new to my channel, hi, my name is Thato and you're most definitely welcome on my channel. Do hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell to get notified every time I upload a new video, so you don't miss out on my future content. Yeah guys, let's get into the video. I'm starting off with the Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade number 35 for priming my eyelids. For eyeshadow, I'm using the Zulu by Juvias Place. First off, I'm going into that rich brown shade and I'm applying it at the outer crease, the outer corner of the eye actually. Okay, so at first I was stamping the shadow and now I'm just going to blend it out in circular motions. Now I'm just feathering it out. Now I'm grabbing the Magic Mini by Juvia's Place, going into that pink shade over there. Applying it all the way till it meets the brown. I'm going back into the Zulu and taking that very bright pink and I'm applying it on top of the previous pink, but just on the front towards the middle. As you can see, I'm stamping it in to intensify the color. Back into the Magic Mini, I'm taking that copper caramel shade, or rusty orange rather, and blending out at the top. So I'm going back into the brown just to intensify it there by the crease. by the outer corner. So I'm going into that purple, and I am using this flat angled brush, and I'm using this purple sort of as a liner. Then I'm going to go into that pink shimmery shade, and I'm applying it right there along that line. Along that ridge of the eye, the eye socket, so to say. Just to make it pop a little bit more, I'm going into that bronze, and I'm placing it on top, but not all the way up. Okay, so I'm taking a little break from the eyes, and I'm moving on to my face. I'm using this foundation, the Rimmel London Lasting Finishing 5-Hour Foundation. The shade is Nutmeg. To highlight my face, I'm using the Illegal Pro Concealer in the shade Cool Tan. Okay, so my under eyes are not as bright as I want them to be, so I'm going to go ahead with the LA Pro Concealer, but in the shade Creamy Beige, just to brighten it up more. Okay, so to set my face, I'm using the Yardley loose powder in the shade Translucent Bear. I'm using my Essence Mattifying Compact Powder in the shade Expresso to contour. In my jawline, with a smaller brush I'll contour my nose. Okay, so to sharpen the contour there by the cheeks and the nose, I am going back into my powder again. This technique is reverse contouring. Okay, let me finish up quickly because the sun is leaving me now. I'm using the Essence Matte Touch Blush in the shade Peach Me Up. It's a very nice rosy color. There by the nose as well. And there by my forehead a little bit. Then I'm going to dust off the excess powder with the same brush. For highlights, I'm using the Wet n Wild Megaglow highlighting powder in the shade Blossom Glow. Okay, now I'm going back to the eye look to finish it up quickly. I'm using my Essence Lasting Finish pencil in the shade Black. Now I'm going into the purple shade that I use for liner, going over that brown. Now for my inner corner, I'm going into that shade. For mascara, I'm using Revlon Dramatic Definition Mascara. Okay, so for lips, I am using the Essence Draw the Line lip liner in the shade. Oh my god, what happened to my lip liner? In the shade Rich Mahogany, and I honestly don't know what happened to my lip liner. Okay, so I'm going to leave this one, and a nice brown shade that's very close to it is actually my eyebrow pencil. And then I'm using the Essence Color Boost Matte About Matte lip liner in the shade Dusty Romance. Okay, so while I wait for my lips to dry, I'm just going to quickly stick on my lashes. So because I want this to be a little bit glossy, I'm going to apply gloss on top. Okay everyone, this is the finished look. I hope you guys like it. I enjoyed creating it and I think it's super fun. Yeah, for now let's just take care of ourselves, take care of each other. Please stay at home and hopefully this whole disaster will be over soon. Yeah, just remember to practice the safety measures. Just protect yourself, protect your loved ones, protect everybody else. Stay at home please. If you don't need to be outside, just stay at home. I'll see you guys in my next video. Remember, if you haven't subscribed yet, click that subscribe button and hit that notification bell to get notified every time I upload a new video. Love you guys so much for watching and I'll see you guys in my next video.